Hello guys, today's video is about an underlying technology behind all of our products. It allows anyone with even modest technical skills to communicate with MT4 or MT5 trading platform. First of all, what can a JSON API be used for? In our experience, it is used by developers to build their own applications, and some examples could be custom bonus systems, whereupon detecting a trade of a certain type or a deposit larger than a certain amount, the system would credit this account a bonus. The same system can be programmed to remove credit upon a certain event as well. Of course, since you're not limited to just credit transactions, it can be any kind of transaction. Another example, if you trade more than 20 lots within a certain period of time, you get $2 per lot at the end of the term. Other commonly developed applications are risk management tools. The reason for that is that a high-end risk management tool package will cost a brokerage a good amount, most likely a good portion of their income. But using just basic programming skills, one could build a system that would automatically change the MT groups of traders after detecting and analyzing certain trading behaviors. In addition to tools that communicate with MT4 or MT5, both ways, there are tools that only analyze data and don't need to push anything to the trading platform. A good example of this type of application is reports. Over more than 15 years of serving Forex brokers, we've developed all kinds of reports, and I can tell you no amount of reports is ever enough. So most commonly, it's either dedicated developer constantly working on this or a business intelligence interface like Microsoft Power BI, for example, or Metabase. If you build reports like this, then you can implement triggers, such as if a trader executes a certain amount of a loss over a period of time, they get an email or an SMS suggesting them an EA or money manager or maybe educational trading course. Among our clients, there are those who build mobile apps using this API. The API alone is more than 50% of the mobile app development project. We also have clients that build their own traders back office and mini-CRMs, which are actually more like task managers. This is really good for local web development companies. They can significantly increase their service portfolio by expanding to an entirely new industry. Finally, proprietary trading firms. This API can be used to notify application when certain thresholds are crossed. With prop firms, these thresholds are usually on live equity values. So those are the uses. Now let's go over what these APIs actually are. There is actually more than one. First is JSON API that allows for two-way communication with MT4 or MT5. So it's things like ability to register an account, enable or disable an account, update personal details, change of account group, make deposits, withdrawals, credit actions, getting trades per account, password actions such as update or check verify. There is actually more to it. There are calls that would allow you, for example, to close all the positions or to open an account within a certain numeric range. But those are details, and you're better off discussing this with our support team. There is another part of this API, and it's not JSON. It is a service that connects your MT4 or MT5 and synchronizes all the info one way from your server to MySQL or MongoDB. This data includes all available MT data, users, accounts, trading history, groups, equities, and so on. It can be hosted with you or with us. This is similar to a report server. That's the service that enables building reports and business intelligence. It also assists larger systems because using JSON API to serve data to thousands of users simultaneously will put a lot of stress on your MT4 or MT5. But if you use a locally hosted MySQL, then all the stress is going to be on this MySQL and not on the MetaTrader server. Finally, there are webhooks. Webhooks can notify you on any event in real time. These are used by prop firms to catch the event of equity hitting certain value, or mobile app developers to notify users of approaching margin call. So this is it. To finalize, I want to mention that if you are using Kenmore Design CRM and Traders Rooms, these APIs can be used in conjunction with the CRM APIs. Our CRM and Traders Rooms are built on a whole set of their own APIs, and if you wanted to develop your own landing pages, payment aggregators, implement a marketing automation or affiliate system, we will open the CRM APIs for you as well. Surely there is more to it, and we trust third-party developers will always find new uses for these APIs, while we're sure we can accommodate your request. Give us a call. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.